Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I just wanted to do an introduction of the car and introduce myself too, I guess, because I haven't appeared on camera yet. My name's Corey and I own the white 2002 Camaro SS Convertible, and I started the channel and I do all the editing. And the other guy on the channel, the guy who owns the 2016 Camaro SS, his name's Jonathan. I refer to him as Stuntman Mike. Anyways, I thought I'd show what I've got done to the car so far and maybe mention some goals of the channel. And also mention we got some t-shirts now for sale on the channel. I know it's a little premature for that, considering we only got like 200 and some subscribers, but it was free to put up. So if anybody's interested, I know we're not that big, but I kind of like the logo. I designed the logo myself, and so if you want a cool t-shirt, I guess, with a cool logo on it, check it out. It's on. You'll see the links in all our videos. What else do I want to say? Oh, if you happen to watch some of our videos and you like them at all, I'd ask that you subscribe. I'll tell you the reason why is we're really small, and there's lots of people out there, I think, that would like our videos, like our channel, but they don't even know we exist. So you guys that have watched the videos and have found the channel, subscribing, hitting the like button, and leaving comments, all that helps us get discovered by other people who might be interested in this channel. I can't really think now what else I got to say, or what I wanted to say. As you can tell, I'm not comfortable on camera. I never wanted to be on camera. I probably would have started this channel 2 years ago when I bought this car, because I've done a lot of modifications since I've gotten the car. But one of the reasons I didn't want to go on YouTube is being on camera is not something I care to do. It wouldn't be too bad if I didn't have to edit the videos, but I've got to edit it, so therefore I have to see it. So I'd ask that you subscribe, because I'm probably going to need a team of psychiatrists after this video to get me over this, because I know the first few videos that I watched, that I made, just hearing my voice on video, I didn't care for it. And seeing myself on video is going to be a lot worse, so please subscribe. Anyway, I'm going to do a video on this car, what I've got done, and what the goals are, and what some of the goals are for the channel. And probably next week, we'll do the same thing for Jonathan's car. I'm not sure if he'll appear on camera, because he's a lot like me. He doesn't really want to be on camera either, but eventually we'll get him to come on. Other than that, hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to try to shoot a little bit of cinematic video, I think is what they call it, of the car, if I can. Anyway, I'll go over the car, what I've got done to it, my goals, and some of the goals for the channel. Anyway, I've talked long enough. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. Okay, guys, I guess we'll start on the inside. In the gauge cluster, I just put the bow tie and the SS logo. And then I put a Sony head unit with the full touchscreen. It has a backup camera and Apple CarPlay. I guess Android Auto too, if you have an Android phone. And I found these on the internet, so I like the way they look, so I put SS on each one of the headrests. I guess we'll go to the outside of the car now. Oh, I put a wideband in the car, and the wideband gauge in the pillar here. Okay, so the car is a 2002 Camaro SS Convertible. It's got ground effects on it. They were on it when I got the car. I don't mind them, but I probably wouldn't have put them on. But I don't mind them. I hate the grill in these cars. I have a new one coming sometime, but it's been on back order now for quite a while. But it's more similar to the 93 to 97, where it's like it goes in a little bit here, and then in here it scoops in like the old ones did. I'm gonna paint it white. And now the headlights, I put the headlights in them in this car. I don't like them, but with the factory headlights I couldn't see anything, so I had to get something that would throw more light. That's the reason for them. And these clear lenses, they were in the car when I got it. I switched all the outside lights to LEDs, and I did put these clear lenses in. And then when I got it, it had those, I call them ricer tail lights. I didn't like them, and the factory tail lights were too expensive, so I just bought the smoke covers for them. And I got a backup camera. I put a backup camera on it. I think that's about it for modifications on the outside. Okay, so now under the hood, starting here, I put the Volant cold air intake on it, and I don't know if you can see down in there, it's got the SLP scoop, because the hood don't supply enough air, so I put the scoop in there to get some more air in. And normally the incoming air temperature sensor goes here. Well, I noticed on HP tuners that it was getting real hot from heat coming up in from the back, so I relocated it into the air intake. It's got the SLP smooth bellows, and I got the strut tower brace. And I found a place online that, because I wasn't happy with the brake performance, this is a brake booster brace, because normally the brake booster would, when you hit the brake pedal, it would come out a little bit and go up like this. It would move, so this here keeps that from moving around. I don't know if you can see down in there, it's got BBK Longtube headers, and it's got last summer I put in Brian Tooley Racing Stage 1 cam, and I had to remove the heads because I wanted a new set of LS7 lifters. I put a new set of LS7 lifters in it. I think that's new plug wires, I guess. It don't really matter. When I was in there, I put a new timing chain and gears, a new oil pump. Yeah, I think that's about it under here. And I put a catch can. I put it way over here because I couldn't really find a good place to mount it anywhere in the engine bay, but eventually I might mount it over so it's a little bit closer so you don't have such long lines going to it. One thing when I took this engine apart, one thing I found out, it doesn't use much oil. It was really, really clean inside, so some LS ones have trouble pulling a lot of oil in, but this one here never had any issues. It was really, really clean inside. What else? Well, I got the Speed Engineering True Dual exhaust on it. And underneath for suspension modifications, I've got UMI panhard bar and UMI panhard bar relocation bracket, because you need that to clear the exhaust. I got a BMR torque arm and BMR lower control arms, and put polyurethane bushings on the stock sway bars, and I think that's about it for now. I tuned it myself with HP tuners. Now mind you, I probably leaving a little bit of power on the table because I'm still learning. Goals for the car, pretty modest. I'm not looking for anything super. I'd like to get it to run a 12.5 would be my first goal, which should be right around a 12.8 we're thinking, but we're gonna do a video on that later this summer. But I got the only modifications this year for the car is I got a set of 390 gears. I still got some more parts and tools to get for that before I can do that job. I've never done it before, so I'm not really looking forward to it. And I got an underdrive pulley. We'll get that on sometime this summer. And I had plans for subframe connectors and bigger injectors, or higher flowing injectors, whatever you want to call them, because I have to limit the RPM right now to 6,000, because after that the injectors get maxed out. But those two things are going to have to wait till next year now, because I got a budget and I used a lot of the budget for this channel to get cameras and microphones and different odds and ends like that. So I pretty much used up that budget, so that'll have to wait till next year. And as far as the subframe connectors go, anyway, last time I checked, it was like August or September before they was going to have any available. What else? Oh, goals for the channel. Our goals for the channel are pretty modest too. I'd like to get, 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. I know this channel will never reach like 10 or 20,000. That I know better than that. But if we could reach 1,000 would be really good. But if we could get a little more, like 2,000, that would be awesome. But I guess that's up to us. We gotta make the videos that you guys want to see. I think that's about it for the car. But yeah, if you don't mind, if you like Camaros and you kind of like our videos, it'd really help a lot if you subscribe to the channel and leave some comments. And like on this video here, if you leave some comments about what you'd like us to video. I can't guarantee we'll be able to do it, but we certainly will try. And anyways, I think that's it for this video, and we'll catch you next. Oh, I mentioned in the beginning of this video I was going to do some cinematic shots. I really don't have time right now, but I'm going to try to do some stuff like that later on when I've got time. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we really appreciate it, and we'll catch you in the next one.